back to Simple Trends. Adjusting to the new normal and new routines for the past few months, I couldn't spend time to give the bathroom a deep clean, and the result was tiles with hard water stains and dusty glass panes in the ventilators. But I was not prepared for painful shoulders of scrubbing these tiles with the normal cleaners. And beginning the festival deep cleaning now will save my energy and time. I don't want to get exhausted with a full week of cleaning at a stretch. Always follow the top down approach for deep cleaning. So I began with the glass panes on the ventilators. These face the exterior, so gets dusty and accumulates a lot of grime. Washing them with a simple detergent will do the needful. The wall and ceiling should be dusted and cobwebs, if any, could be removed. Before you deep clean your bathrooms, remove everything from them and let it be an empty space. Remove any jewelry or accessories you are wearing to avoid corrosion from the chemicals. It is advisable to use gloves when we do deep cleaning with chemicals. The toilet bowl gets cleaned frequently, so I leave it in today's cleaning, and I don't want to use multiple chemical cleaners at the same time as it may emit toxic fumes. I have found using the Raft tile cleaner very useful for removing tough stains and scales from the tiles. There is no difficult scrubbing or scraping. I apply the tile cleaner on the wall tiles and allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. That does the trick. The lower portion of the tiles are the ones that get too dirty compared to the ones on top. After 30 minutes, a little scrub to loosen the scales and washing with water did the magic. Compared to all the other cleaners I have used earlier, this made my work the easiest. I never expected my festival deep cleaning to be so easy. Since the powder coated shower caddy was worn out, I gave it a fresh look by painting it to match the wall decor. The wash basins and taps could also be cleaned with the same cleaner. If your floor has tiles, you can use the same Raft cleaner from Pidilite, but mine is granite. So I go with the usual red Harpic to complete the cleaning and put things back in place. I would suggest breaking the work in parts across a few days if you find it difficult to do it in a single stretch. Once we have done an exhaustive deep clean of the wall scales, it becomes easier to maintain for a few months. Floor, cupboards, wash basin and toilet bowls are part of the regular weekly cleaning schedule, and it doesn't take much time. This is not a promotional or sponsored video. Personally, I have found the Pidilite Raft tile cleaner very effective in removing tough hard water stains. Hope this video has been useful to you. If it has motivated you to begin your festival cleaning, don't forget to share with your friends and relatives too. Hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Your likes and comments get me motivated too. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more useful and interesting videos. Bye.